Today we're using something called the distributive property. We're going to learn how to distribute. Distribute in math simply means to multiply. So let me show you what this looks like. I have the expression 2 times 3m plus 5, or 2 times the sum of 3m and 5. What I want to do here is I just want to get this to be expressed in the most simple way possible. And what I can see is that this 2 needs to be multiplied by everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 3m. I just multiply 2 times 3. So let me show you. This is equal to 2 times 3m. And then also 2 times 5. So 2 multiplied to 3m plus 5 inside parentheses just means 2 times 3m plus 2 times 5. I can simplify this down further. 2 times 3m is 6m because I wanted 3m 2 times. I just multiply these two numbers and keep my variable. Bring down my plus sign, and 2 times 5 is 10. What you should remember from the other day about the distributive property, about combining like terms, is that you can only put things together that are the same. In this case, I have 6 m's, and then I have just 10. These are like different fruits. These are my apples, these are my pears. Because they're two completely different things, I'm not going to add them together. This is my final answer. I know these are different because this is 6 m's, and this is just 10. The number 10. So I know these are different. I don't need to add. This is my answer. Let's do another one. 4 times 8 plus 5r. I'm going to multiply this 4 by everything inside the parentheses. I'm going to do 4 times 8, and I'll rewrite that. 4 times 8 plus 4 times 5r. I can simplify this. 4 times 8 is 32. Bring down my plus sign. 4 times 5r. I multiply the 4 times 5, which is 20, and I keep the r. This is a plain number by itself, which you should remember is called a constant. This is 20 r's. This has a variable. These are two different things, so I'm not going to add them together. That's my final answer. Let's try another one. 9 plus 2z times 2. Whoops. Magic pen! There it is. Sorry about that. This one looks a little bit different because the 2 that's being multiplied is at the back of the expression. What I would do is I would rewrite this with the 2 up front, because this still just means that 2 is being multiplied by 9 and 2 is being multiplied by 2z. It's just weird to look at it with the 2 at the back. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2 times 9 plus 2z. And now just like before, I'm going to multiply 2 times 9 plus 2 times 2z. I can simplify this because 2 times 9 is a number. 2 times 9 is 18. Bring down my plus sign. And then here I have 2 times 2z. So I multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and keep the z. I have a constant and I have a variable. These are two different terms, so I can't add them together. I'm finished. Your turn to practice.